formed, how it works. But do you know how it is implemented or how it is executed in an organization? Okay, I'm sure every one of us must have participated in organizing of at least one event in our college, right? Is there a proper management with one person having full details about the working and the progress of the project? Let me tell you my experience. I have worked in a lot of college event organizing committees, and in each one of them, there was a total chaos in the last days of the event. And the chaos always increased exponentially as the event date approached. Now, imagine this happening on a much larger scale in the industry where a team of thousands of people are working on a single project. There needs to be some sort of an order, a management. Hence comes the project management. Does anyone of you know what a project management is? It is basically the management of the project, but honestly speaking, actually, it is a lot more than that. We will be talking about it. So, while doing a project, there are many hidden challenges which needs to be tackled. You can relate this to the sudden challenges or the changes in the organizing of a college event. Project management means the smart management of a project to lead it to completion smoothly without compromising the time, cost, or quality. So now, what is a project? A project can be considered anything from making a road, a house, to launching a new product in the market. It is always unique, that is, different every time. Otherwise, it's just a business plan, not a project. It has a well defined objective known as the scope of the project to achieve within the predefined variables like time, cost, and quality. So now comes the PM triangle. It is the triangle of the major attributes of the project management: the time, cost, scope, and the quality. If any one of them is compromised, the rest three are automatically disturbed. So now you guys must be wondering what is so special about it? Why is project management so important? What will happen without the project management? So traditionally, the project was done without any management and it caused a lot of chaos. There was no realistic completion time, no communication and management between the team, no quality control checks, no precise project tracking, and absolutely no risk and failure assessment beforehand. It was a complete mess. That's why came the need of project management. Behind the success of every successful project is a project management plan, which is minutely monitored by a project manager whose task is to perfectly monitor and push the project tasks to ensure its completion with desirable outputs within the constraints like time and cost. A project management manager handles the effectiveness of the project, defines the project, plans and assesses the resources for the project, estimates the cost and forms the proposals, assesses the risks and failures beforehand, and leads and communicates the team. In short, a project management manager strategically aligns the project. So, how does a project management really works? It is a multi-step approach, starting with thinking, planning, and scheduling, then collecting data. After that comes the allocation of necessary resources, then finally working on the project, and at last completing a successful project. As you can see, project management is a very vast topic which requires years to master and comes with experience. It is something which needs to be learned by the experience and not by study. It is not possible to teach everything. So, this session we will be looking on the basics overview of the project management. So, that's it. Now you can move on to your projects.